today's fast-paced business world, chief financial officers and business leaders are under immense pressure. Economic volatility, unpredictable demand, and shrinking margins make it harder than ever to stay ahead. Traditional financial planning and analysis methods simply can't keep up. Leaders are often forced to make critical decisions based on outdated or biased data, which undermines organizational agility and competitiveness. As the pace of change accelerates, the need for smarter, faster, and more objective planning tools becomes clear. This is where intelligent performance management steps in, offering a new way forward for modern finance teams. Many organizations face three major hurdles in their financial planning. First, human bias often distorts forecasts, as business unit heads may sandbag revenue or inflate expenses to meet targets. Second, manual reforecasting cycles are slow and resource-intensive, making data obsolete by the time it's consolidated. Third, companies must choose between broad, inaccurate forecasts or overwhelming their teams with granular details. These challenges leave leaders without a reliable statistical baseline, making it difficult to respond quickly to market changes. The result is a planning process that is reactive, not proactive. When companies turn to legacy performance management software or standalone AI tools, they encounter new problems. Data is often disconnected, requiring fragile integrations and batch processing. Insights are isolated in dashboards, not embedded in daily workflows, leading to low adoption. Algorithmic sophistication may be high, but it demands ongoing data scientist support. Meanwhile, legacy tools rely on basic trend lines and require manual triggers, stalling automation. These gaps highlight the need for a truly integrated, intelligent solution that brings predictive power directly into the financial planning process. Oracle Cloud EPM Predictive Intelligence is designed to overcome these limitations. By embedding predictive intelligence natively into the planning process, Oracle shifts financial planning from reactive guesswork to proactive machine-assisted decision-making. The platform is built on three core components: predictive planning for on-demand user-triggered forecasts, auto-predict for high-volume automated predictions, and advanced predictions for multivariate analysis. Together, these features empower finance teams to generate accurate, unbiased forecasts quickly and efficiently, all within a secure cloud environment. Predictive planning allows users to trigger predictions directly within their data forms. As planners enter data, they can instantly validate their projections against historical trends, seeing best, worst, and most likely scenarios. Auto-predict takes this further by running automated high-volume predictions in the background, pre-populating forecasts before planners even log in. Advanced predictions leverage Oracle's data science cloud to correlate financial metrics with internal and external drivers, moving beyond simple trend analysis to multivariate forecasting. This layered approach ensures that every forecast is grounded in statistical rigor and real-world context. Oracle Cloud EPM offers several technical advantages that set it apart. Planners can write, click any cell to access explain prediction, revealing the exact algorithm, error metrics, and driver weights used. Built-in governance enforces accountability by flagging manual inputs that deviate from statistical baselines, requiring justification for significant variances. The platform's zero ETL architecture means machine learning engines operate directly within the secure database, eliminating data latency and integration headaches. These features ensure transparency, control, and speed, making predictive planning both robust and user-friendly. Implementing Oracle's predictive intelligence involves a structured, multi-phase approach. It starts with data preparation, ensuring historical data is clean and complete. Next, engine configuration defines what to predict and how, mapping data sources and targets and setting up machine learning drivers. Job automation and scheduling follow, integrating predictions into routine processes. Finally, governance guardrails are set to enforce data validation and accountability. Each phase is designed to align predictive intelligence with business logic, ensuring accurate, actionable insights at every step. Automation is at the heart of Oracle Cloud EPM's predictive intelligence. Scheduled jobs run overnight, seeding forecasts automatically and freeing up finance teams for higher-value work. The system integrates seamlessly with monthly close routines and embeds predictive validation directly into user forms. Governance guardrails ensure that any significant variance from statistical baselines is flagged, requiring planners to provide explanations before moving forward. This combination of automation and accountability drives both efficiency and trust in the planning process. Impact of Oracle Cloud EPM Predictive Intelligence is clear. Finance teams can replace weeks of manual work with automated overnight runs. Objectivity is enhanced, as statistical benchmarks expose both sandbagging and overly aggressive assumptions. The system continuously improves, updating its models as new data arrives each month. Ultimately, this leads to better decision-making, greater agility, and a stronger competitive edge. For business leaders, embracing predictive intelligence means transforming finance from a reactive function into a strategic powerhouse. For detailed video, please click on the link below. http